Check it out what I just got. 6-gallon air compressor. So literally I had one of these, different style, but went bad, couldn't figure it out. And now this is my new upgrade. So I can't wait to take it out of the box and test it. Okay, opening up the box. Got the manual, and this is the hose it comes with. Man, I already have some hoses, which belongs to my previous air compressor, but I'm gonna be testing both of them. But what I really like is these quick disconnect. Man, yeah, I like the feel of that. By the way, this had the most reviews on Amazon, so another reason why I went for it was because of the reviews. Oops, it's pretty loud. Okay, let's pull this thing out. Pretty light, not heavy at all. Very, very, very light. Very light. And I like the fact that it's got these nice rubber feet. So when you sit it down, it sits nice. But look, this looks a little bit crooked. Was it supposed to be like this? Yeah, you see that? That looks nice and flat, right? But this just got out of the box crooked. Like what's going on over here? Ah, okay. So that's not a big deal. But yeah, I could definitely twist it. There we go. See that? Kind of. Okay, now I got it back into place. Yeah. But yeah, this here looks more flush. Everything looks perfect. But yeah, now we're good. Yep, so we're gonna plug it and test it. Also, before we get into the testing, we have some more stuff in the box. So this is the manual in different languages. Yep. And more instructions. Megaphone operation. Why would this be in this box? Not supposed to be there. But okay. Got some goodies here. And also I see a business card. Okay, so thank you from the seller. Anyway, this was a second hand, right? You could call it refurbished. That's probably why this is in there, because of the so I'm gonna keep the card, but this is going on garbage. Okay, power is on. Now let's turn it on. Nothing. Doesn't turn on. Dead. So guys, let me explain. I turned it on, it wouldn't do anything. All of a sudden, it just started working out of nowhere. So let's try it again. Okay, so that was immediate, but before, it wouldn't turn on at all. It was in that position, the on position, wouldn't do anything. But so we're gonna test this. We're gonna use it for a while. If any issues, I am returning this. Another thing I noticed, air's coming out of here like non-stop. This should be closed. No air should be coming out, otherwise it won't build the pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn, trying to turn it so it's not leaking any air, but it's very hard, so I'm gonna have to use a tool. Okay, I was able to use a pair of pliers and got it all the way in. So now it's nice and closed. let's run another test and see if the pressure builds. Okay guys, look at that. That looks good, really good. Okay guys, so it has stopped just now, but as you can see, it definitely built some pressure, which is perfect. So now we just need to, I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Let's see. Okay, got it inserted. So it seems like it has double, but as you can see, this keeps turning. I may have to get that, or maybe it's all right, you know, but let's see, this works. Let's see. So guys, I'm automatically happy with this unit. I just wanted to do a quick test, but one of the reasons I purchased this is because it's a oil-free pump and it's lightweight. I mean, these were the things I was looking for. So far, I'm happy with it. And like I said, I bought this, you know, as you could say, refurbished. So it wasn't too expensive and it works. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna be using it. Any issues, I will return it, but otherwise, I think this is gonna be a keeper. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know if you have any comments.